Have you ever wondered where a world doesn't connect people by communication? Now, let's talk about a topic where communication is important and how important communication is. Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to explore a simple yet profound truth. Communication connects people at its core. Communication is the bridge that links us, enabling us to share our thoughts, feelings, and ideas. It's the foundation of relationships, whether personal, professional, or social. Think about how we connect with others. Through words, gestures, and expressions, we convey our emotions and intentions when we talk. We're not just exchanging information, we are engaging in a dialogue that fosters understanding and empathy. For example, a heartfelt conversation with a friend can offer comfort and strengthen your bond, while effective communication in a team can lead to a successful collaboration and innovation. Next, communication is not limited to face interactions. In our digital age, technology has expanded our ability to connect across distances. Social media platforms, emails, and video calls allow us to maintain relationship and share experience with people around the globe. Despite the physical distance, we can still feel close and connected thanks to these tools. However, effective communication requires more than just speaking. It involves active listening and empathy. To truly connect with others, we need to understand their perspective and respond thoughtfully. This means being present in the moment and acknowledging the feelings and ideas of those who we interact. In conclusion, communication is a powerful force that connects us. It bridges gaps, fosters relationships, and builds understanding by holding our communication skills and embracing both verbal and nonverbal forms. We can create more meaningful connections with others. That's all. Thank you.